Ready to skyrocket your website's credibility and turn casual visitors into loyal customers? We will show you how to seamlessly embed Google reviews into your hosting or website, boosting trust and sales. First, log into your hosting or website builder. It's the same drag-and-drop interface you already know and love. We're going to keep it simple and focus on the most effective methods. Look for the Add Element panel, typically found on the left-hand side. Click on it. This is where you'll find all the building blocks for your website. Scroll down until you see the Embed Code option. This allows you to insert custom HTML, which is what we'll use to display your Google reviews. Drag and drop this element onto the area of your web page where you want the reviews to appear. A placeholder box will appear now. Click the Edit HTML button within that box. This will open a text editor where you can paste your Google reviews embed code. Now, where do you get that code? The easiest way is to use a third-party Google Reviews widget generator. There are many free and paid options available online. These platforms allow you to easily design and customize your review display after creating the widget. They will provide you with the embed code. Copy the HTML code from your chosen widget generator, head back to your hosting or website builder, and paste that code directly into the HTML editor window. Then click Save. Voila! Your Google reviews should now be visible on your website. You can then reposition the widget element as needed and adjust the design to fit your site's aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully added Google reviews to your hosting or website. Give your site a competitive edge by showing those 5-star reviews. Like this video and subscribe for more hosting or tips and tricks.